Hello, everyone. Today we will show you how to create a TCP server using the Little Bear Pi. These are the relevant API function interfaces that need to be used. Socket. Creating a socket. Bind. Associating the socket with a corresponding address and port number. Rec. Receiving data. Send. Sending data. Close. Closing the socket, and so on. This is the process of creating a TCP client. Let's enter Visual Studio Code to review the relevant code. We only need to make modifications to the original program. With slight modifications, we can change UTP to TCP, configure the local network, and connect to the server. Then send, receive, finally close. Compile the code. Select the file to be programmed. Disconnect. Create a TCP server. Set to port. Open the serial port debugger. Reset. Connection successful. Then you can send and receive data. Finally, let's take a look at the flowchart of the code to understand the experimental approach. That's all for today. Thank you for watching our video. If you have any questions, leave your comments below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.